your combination that you can do. So you can choose to have the dumbbell either with the hands on the phone, but if you can fit both hands in the center, this is preferable. So this is the little combination I teach. So we start off with a single kick to the front. Pretty easy. After I do a few repetitions of that, I go to doubles. And then this, I'm bouncing on my toes. I'm lifting up the other knee. So let me show you side on. So I'm lifting up both feet up the bottom, not just kicking one leg out in front while the other leg stays still. I've got the rebound aspect. So then I give them a choice. They can stay with that or they can do this. Front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. So the directional change adds a bit more intensity, my heart rate's going up. So that's option number 2. And then the final option is, if they've got this going, they want to work a bit harder, so there's a bit of coordination now involved. Both hands in the middle for the front kick. Release one hand with the side kick. Back to together in the front. Release one hand to the side kick. The reason why I do 3 options is I won't pay for different people, but it's not just that. It's a subtle way of progressing people to get them to work a little harder or challenge themselves a little further. When people know that there's different levels for something, some people are motivated to go to the next level. Wonderful. Those people who otherwise wouldn't, that's fine, they're being paid for. But for those, that big percentage in the middle, don't care either way, they will follow those ones going up in progressive levels. So there's a big chunk of people, percentage of people that sort of sit on the line, that don't, they say they come for a workout, but they don't really challenge themselves. Having different levels will actually encourage them to move up, especially when they're noticing some other people in the pool doing it. They sort of want someone to make a decision for them. So I always like to give something, a few different exercises like this in the class to provide different challenges. Not everything's from level 1, level 2, level 3, that would do my head in. But there are some exercises where I'll give that. And this requires a bit of coordination. But for some people, if this is how I start the exercise, it would make it very frustrating and they'd lose the motivation. And that's that percentage, that big percentage sits between, I'm not going to do it and I'm definitely going to do it. There's about 65% of people sit smack in the middle that would, if they found that exercise more challenging, they'd just lose interest or do something else or start talking. That's the group that you want to go different levels and then they can go, oh, I can do that. Oh, I can do that. Oh, maybe I'll try that. And then you lead them down the path to moving towards something that can give them a bit more of a challenge. So, great cardio exercise. When you start with single, which is obvious, then change it to the double, then change it to double and side, front and side, and then change. So then you have opposite arm to leg when they kick out to the side. And that's this week's activity. Demonstrating the kicking combo is going to be quite an energetic process for you as an instructor. So we're starting off with the hands in the center of the dumbbell and you're kicking and pushing the dumbbell forwards. So of course you're lifting the leg up. I like to demonstrate that little hopping action as you go from one leg to the other rather than this, which has a little bit less energy. You can sort of almost feel that this looks tired and I'm a little bit fatigued than this and that and this. And all you have to do is demonstrate 3 or 4 good ones and that's it. So that's the first demonstration. The second demonstration is similar. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So you have that little hopping action as you go from one leg to the other. If you've got the Aqua frame, you want to ensure that they're kicking up nice and high, you can use the Aqua frame as well to sort of really demonstrate the kick and kick and kick and kick with that hopping action for leg. So for those participants that want to work a bit harder, really demonstrate that popping action with the leg, which you can only do when you've got a wonderful piece of equipment like the Aqua frame. So then we're going to take that to the next step, where we later on the next challenge, we go on to level 2, and we go front and side, front and side, front and side, front and side. Now the little hop actually helps with your balance. So when you go here and you hop, then you hop, then you hop, it just helps with repositioning the foot and the body weight so that you can stay balanced while you're demonstrating that movement pattern. Just remember to keep your arms up high, and when you're kicking out to the side, think about lifting the leg up high as well. The final movement pattern, which is the final level, level 3, is where you go front and side, front and side, front and side, front and side. So use your body to demonstrate the side kick by dropping it a little bit to the side. It is a little bit more of an exaggeration than what you're actually doing in the water, but it will translate well in that your participants won't feel like they have to lie their head down in the water. They'll get the idea of what you're trying to achieve, and they'll kick their leg a little higher. So front and side, and you'll get an effective translation. Remember, it's the opposite arm that's holding the dumbbell to a leg that's beginning to the side. And that's this week's activity.